I'm going to make a video to demonstrate a really cool vintage watch. So this watch was made by Gruen in the 1950s, early 1960s. Original dial, amazing condition, really nice vintage bracelet as well. So what makes this watch really cool is it's a true 24-hour dial watch, and it's mechanical. So what I'm going to do, has the original hands as well. It's just a really neat watch. So there's two dials on this watch. And examine closely what happens when we hit 12 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to do it really slow. Get the right angle. Boom. And then the secondary dial with a vibrant click rotates, and now all the hour markers are 13 through 24. Really neat. Let's do it one more time here. So this is called the Airflight watch, and it was for pilots. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in just so we get to the top. Watch real close. Boom. Really, really neat. Take care.